Hello, welcome to my channel, Cooking with Amelia. Today I'm going to show you how to make pumpkin spice cake. First, in a bowl, add 3½ cups of flour, 1 1/3 of a tablespoon of baking powder, 1 1/3 of a teaspoon of baking soda, 2½ teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 1/3 of a teaspoon of nutmeg, 2/3 of a teaspoon of ginger, 2/3 of a teaspoon of salt, and 2½ cups of sugar. Mix together until combined. Then at 2 pieces at a time, add 220 grams of butter. Mix until the dry ingredients are moistened by the butter and looks like coarse sand. Then in a separate bowl, add 5 eggs, 2/3 of a cup of milk, 1/3 of a cup of vegetable oil, 552 grams of pumpkin, and 1 1/3 of a teaspoon of vanilla. On low speed, slowly add half of the egg mixture. Increase to medium speed for 1½ minutes. Scrape the sides of the bowl, then add the remaining egg mixture in 2 pourings, beating 20 seconds after each addition. Divide between 4 cake pans. And bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes. Then in a separate bowl, add 800 grams of room temperature cream cheese, 2½ cups of heavy cream, and 1 cup of powdered sugar. We also add 4 teaspoons of vanilla. Mix together until combined. This might take 4 minutes. Then to half of the frosting, add 3 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 1/4 of a teaspoon of nutmeg, and 2½ cups of ground ginger. Mix together until combined. Then add the spiced frosting evenly among the layers of cake. Then cover the rest of the cake with the frosting without the spices. You may decorate by piping some roses.